come to this moment? Why does it feel like the world has pushed me into a corner I can't escape? I keep asking myself, why did I do this? Am I truly that helpless? That lost? Everyone sees me as the man who has everything, but they never saw the nights when the silence felt heavier than gold. They never saw the fear behind my smile, or the way my own thoughts trapped me, even in the brightest rooms. I tried to be strong. I tried to be the Richard Cory they admired, confident, shining, and untouchable. But inside, I was breaking in places no one could see. Was I really so invisible? Was my pain so quiet no one heard it? Or was I the one who hid too well? Who pretended too perfectly? Until even I began to believe the lie. I never wanted to fall this far. I never wanted to feel this small. But the weight, the emptiness, it became too much to carry alone. Maybe someday they'll understand that even the strongest looking people can be fighting battles no one notices. And maybe they'll understand too, how a man surrounded by admirations still feels so painfully alone. But if ever they look back on my life, I hope they see more than the tragedy. I hope they see the truth I never learned to say aloud. That a smile can hide storms, that a gentle voice can tremble, and that even a man wrapped in luxury can feel cold and forgotten. I wish I had found the courage to speak, to whisper even once, I'm not okay. Perhaps someone would have listened. Perhaps someone would have stayed. But I convinced myself that my pain is burden, that admitting weakness would shatter the image they admired. And so, I carried it alone. Every day, every fear, every doubt, every quiet cry for help pressed deeper into my chest, until I could no longer tell where the pain ended and where I began. If there is anything to learn from my silence, let it be this. Do not wait for someone to look back your mask. Let them see you, truly see you, before the darkness convinces you that you are beyond saving. Because even now, standing in this final moment of truth, a part of me still wonders, would things have changed if I had simply let someone in?